Go.
Who raised this? Wait.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh, God.
Bless you.
Thank you.
And Helica can't do it right.
I can't do it, dude.
Just keep on doing it. Helica, get up and start doing it. God, that's cheating. Risha, look at Helica. She's like, I can't keep it still. Helica, keep the bat in one place. When we should tell them to go. Let's have a conversation. So how are you, Glory?
How are you?
3, 2, 1, go. Are you okay? Are you okay? Dude, that was a hard fall.
That shit was hilarious.
Are you okay? Risha, are you okay? What part of you got hurt?
Here,
That was
here,
such
and
a hard
here, and
fall.
here.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Dude, did you scrape anything?
Dude, I'm like so high.
That was